guys, my name is Jacqueline, and you know these flowers are magical, and today we're gonna do by hand, and it's my war day, so all you have to do, if you got homework from your school, write them and do stuff that your mom asked you in school, what you got, and do learning, and all those stuff. And you can get a award after done doing stuff. If you have a sister, and you pick her up first, and then you can get a award in the song.
Okay, so are you ready? Okay, by 10?
10.
Yeah, let me point then. So,
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's what you all do.
good job.
I'm 4.
There you go. 4 years old, okay. Are you sure you're only 4 years old?
Yeah. I don't look like I'm 6. Do you think I look like 6? You think so?
You look like 1. No, I'm joking. You look like 6. Yeah, okay, sit down
I
now.
look like 6, but I'm actually 4. 4 is better.
Okay.
Now let's do 5.
By 1 up to 100.
I love that one. It's so much. I love counting.
Very good. I'm glad you do.
And I love doing homework.
Okay, so let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I'm going to drink my own sweat.
That's okay.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. 31.
39. What's this?
40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
You're in 50.
Okay, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70.
70.
71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Very good.
So that's what you all do, what your mom tells you, but you can't play Roblox if you're not done with that. You can't play Animal Jam if you're not done with that, or by tens.
Okay, you're done your by 10, you're done your by 1 up to 100. Now it's time to read. Reading time, okay? Reading. Let me see.
I'm going to drink my own sweat, guys.
Oh, you drink your sweat.
If I sweat it,
How you can do that over here?
just stick in my tongue. And it drips down my tongue.
Okay, I think I need to get a new video.
Ready?
Are you ready?
Okay, hi guys. You see my mom is not want to be in the camera. And I'm going to drink my own sweat.
You're not sweating. Just take a bath so we can stop
No.
sweat your hair. Your hair is so wet.
My hair's so silky.
Okay, are you ready to open
Yes.
it? Okay, this is your reading time today. Ready, so.
And like this bracelet. Do that. No, let's. And like the A to in can my U V S R C come at said go me.
Very good. Okay, what is this?
Can you it and see at me are come like to in my you we is at go can it
I think you did everything. Good job. Awesome. That's all.
la la la
Okay, that's okay. Bye.
bye
Bye.